We're going to have a quick look at some of the simpler items: total marks, average, total percent, and the test 1%. So once again, we're only looking at these yellow shaded areas. We know there's more data, but some really simple ones. So obviously, for total marks, that is the simple sum formula. So we have the sum of F2, so we come to F is test 1, to H2, H is test 3, so it's the sum of that row for those things. So if we simply put that one in, equals sum, and I can select them by type, clicking and dragging, and there it is. If I want to do that for the whole lot, I can fill it down. That's doing it for the whole lot. I only have to type it in once. Once again, I would recommend checking to make sure 24 plus 12 plus 34 is 70. That's what I expect before copying down. Average is simple again. Now, just the average and of these three cells. Once again, to get a calculator out, double check that this is the correct average. So make sure we're doing the same from F to H, and that's really simple. I'm going to skip over the total to percent for a moment and just go for the test 1% because it's easy to calculate. That is simply saying what I want to do is I want to have a look at F290 divided by 26. Why 26? Because 26 is what the test is out of. And the F column is the column where test 1 is. So what does that look like? I'm simply saying equals whatever's in this column here, F290 divided by 26, gives me 92%. Why is it percent? Because you notice up here, I've changed it from general, where it would come up with 0.9 to percentage. The final one here is the total. So for all three tests, what was that overall percentage? So I'm going to go equals the sum of all three divided by the total of all three, which is 141. And there it is there. Once again, need to make it a percentage to make sense. Now I've done a rather complex thing there. I've said compound thing, sum, and then divided by the total. I already have the sum. Let me delete that. Already calculated it here. So I could have simply said equals this cell divided by 141. Once again, how do I know it's 141? 26, 45, and 70. 26, 45, and 70 all added together. It's 141.